Happy New Year, everybody. Today I'm going to be trying out the Polygel nail kit. I got this nail kit off of AliExpress a few months ago and I watched a bunch of YouTube videos on it and I decided to go ahead and try it out. Today is January 1st and it's also my birthday. So I decided, hey, it's not gonna hurt for me to try them out, just for me to get dressed up and hang out in my living room. So I did just that and I thought they turned out okay. So if you guys enjoyed the video, please remember to give it a thumbs up. That helps share it all over YouTube. And also, if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. And if you have, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. So we're just gonna go ahead and get into this video and I hope you guys enjoy it.
Okay, so this is the brand of the Polygel kit that I got from AliExpress. I got it for about $38. I'll go ahead and show you. It came with this UV LED lamp. It's pretty cool. It also came with this electric nail file, which I thought was really cool. I never really used a nail file before, but it came with a bunch of bits for it, which was really good. I didn't end up using it that much, which I kind of regret because the cord was kind of short. I also got these for nail files, a cuticle fork, tweezers, a nail buffer, a cuticle pusher, cuticle oil. This is the dual-ended brush and spatula tool to use to apply and spread the polygel. Really cool. Some dual forms in a bunch of different sizes, slip solution, nail glue, some nail remover wipes, some nail cleansing wipes, toe separators, some silver and gold nail art wires, some French manicure stickers and regular like stickers that you can use to design, some rhinestones, really pretty, some instructions that came with the kit and instructions for the lamp, a brush, a nail clipper, a little glass cup, nail gel magic remover, base coat and top coat, 4 different polygels, and 6 gel polishes. These are the 4 polygel colors and these are the 6 gel polishes that came with it, and these little stickers that came so you can label the polish bottles. I went ahead and used the cleansing wipes to cleanse my nails. Then I went ahead and filed them a bit, just cut them all short and filed them a bit because they were all like uneven. Then I cleansed them again with the wipe. I went ahead and put on 1 layer of base coat on my nails and then I cured it under the UV lamp for 60 seconds. Then I went ahead and sized the dual forms to make sure they fit. There were a lot of sizing options, so it was great. Then I poured some of the slip solution in the glass cup and I started with the white polygel. I tried to kind of gauge how much I needed. Again, it's my first time, so I wasn't really sure how much to use. I just tried to put little by little and then spread it around. The liquid slip solution really spreads it around really well, so that was fairly easy to do. So once I went ahead and spread it all over, I spread it to kind of like the length that I wanted. Well, I didn't really know what length I wanted, but I said, you know what, let me just make them as long as possible and then I'll cut them if I need to. I went ahead and placed it on my nail. I tried to be as gentle as possible because I didn't want any of it to like squirt out, and I mean some of it did a little bit, and then I just cleaned it off with the brush, but it stuck on pretty well. And then I just try to clean up anything on the bottom, and then I dried it under the lamp. I think I dried it for about 90 seconds this time. I just wanted to make sure it was dry. Then I tried to use the pink and it was a disaster. It was so sticky and hard to work with. It was hard to spread around even with the slip solution. So I decided to use some of the white polygel on the top and kind of make it like a tip. So I did that, and then I went ahead and cured it under the lamp for about 90 seconds. I think it has a 90 seconds and 120 second setting. So I just tried to make sure it was as dry as possible. For my pointer finger, I decided to use some of the clear polygel, which was really pretty. I skipped the middle finger because I did that one in all white like the pinky, but this one I kind of did like half of the clear polygel and then the other half was in white, and I did it in kind of a slant. I don't know, I was just trying to make it different. So this is what I have so far, and then I went ahead and make sure they were all nice and dry before I decided to start popping off the dual forms. I kind of just like pulled them up on the side a little bit and they came off really easily. I mean, I was nervous at first, but then the way I felt them just kind of pop off, it was like even hard to notice that they were off because the polygel was really strong and firm. It wasn't thin or anything like I thought it would be, and then I started to file all around them. I started to file them, and then I was kind of regretting making them so long, and then I didn't want to cut them anymore because I was just kind of being lazy. But I went ahead and filed them, and as you can see, the polygel is really strong. Like, it didn't feel like it was coming off. And for some of them, I mean, I used too much. For some of them I didn't use enough, but you know, I guess I can kind of get the hang of it sooner or later. I cleansed them off with the wipes, and then I started putting on the rhinestones. I don't have any rhinestone glue, so I just use base coat and then top coat on top of that. And then I got these rhinestones from AliExpress for like $3. They're a little bit fancier than the regular rhinestones that the kit came with, so I used these, and then I cured it under the lamp for about 60 seconds and they were nice and dry. I also use this silver nail wire, and if anybody knows how to use that nail wire, can you please let me know, because I ended up having to cover that whole finger up because the nail wire just kept on lifting on the sides. Like, no matter how much I tried to cut it down, it would just like I tried to use it again here and it just wouldn't stay down. I don't know, I mean, I tried my best, but like as you can see here, I then started to cover up that one because I just really didn't like the way it looked. And some nail salons could charge you a lot of money for putting on all these rhinestones. Like, you could even get a regular manicure and put a bunch of rhinestones on, and it'll really like enhance your nail look. Like, I thought this was so pretty, so I was excited to use the rhinestones. And for the last step, I use this cuticle oil because my hands be dry AF, and that was it. I thought this was really easy, guys. I hope that you guys end up trying this if you're brave enough and you have the patience. I also did my right hand, and I used some of the other rhinestones, the ones that the kit came with. I mixed those with the other ones and I thought it came out really pretty, and this is the final look. I wish I would have used the nail drill a little bit to file down the nails a little more, but I was too lazy and the cord was kind of short. But anyways, I'll go ahead and try to do another video of the removal of these nails, and then I'll try to do them again, maybe in another color and maybe some shorter nails. If you guys enjoyed it, please remember to give it a thumbs up, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Happy New Year!